Hey guys, I'm McPaverick. In this video I will guide you how to take care of your hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are planted in the late summer. The hole should be twice the size of the roots. Then it is very important that you have the right location. Hydrangeas need a shady location because they need light, wet soil, and the soil must be rich in nutrients and not compacted. Yes, as mentioned, hydrangeas needs water, so the soil must be kept wet, especially in dry and warm days, but avoid waterlogging. That's very important. Then we need a fertilizer. Special hydrangea fertilizer are available in the most garden shops, but Azalea fertilizer is also suitable. The fertilizer should be added between May and July. In winter hydrangeas generally hardy, but you can take care of them in the winter, and you can protect them with a light winter protection. The winter protection can made from a pile of leaves, and then you are on the safe side. The next topic is hydrangea pruning, and this is a difficult topic, so I did an extra video for this topic. The link is below and the link is here on the side, so you can watch the video after that video. I hope you enjoyed the video, so goodbye.